Okay, so what I have here is I have the TSD file, the sound file, and the lighting file, all opened from that OneDrive location. And just having a look at the TSD file. So the TSD file here has a kind of some flooring on it, let's assume, which is the only thing that's in this drawing. All the other parts, the lighting part and the room, are referenced from the other drawings in their own folders. So it means that I can't interact with that light, I can't do anything with it, which is probably a good thing, having it been quite a while since I did any sort of lighting. Likewise, in the RS2 plan there, there's no way that that floor can be moved around. It's just there as a reference. So if we look at what's happening in the TSD file here, if I go to Tools, Organization, and along in the end in the References file there, this file is referencing RS2, which is the walls and the structure of the room, and the plan, and they're up to date. Now in the sound file here, sound, I've drawn a couple of speakers here. Let's see what they are. They are just default speaker symbols. Anyway, but it'd be useful to know that they're going to be there. I don't know whether they're what they're doing or anything at the moment, but they should be referenced in, or they should be brought into my file, so I know that they're going to be there. So I haven't done that yet. So what I need to do is I need to go to the organization palette, and I need to do a new reference file. And rather than the LX folder, I'm going to have a look at the sound folder. So this is, again, this is the same folder structure that we were talking about in the last video. So there's the sound folder. Sound have been working away, and they have some sound stuff in it. This new reference is very important. It must be our path relative to the current document, and all that's in there is sound, because they've been very good and are referencing the building in their own reference file. So I want to bring in the sound layer there. So that's the layer available, in that there is only a sound layer. Okay, that. I can just check the settings to check that I'm bringing in the layer import. Yeah, which is fine. Once you've done the first one, it'll be okay. So that should be there and up to date and okay. And then my sound layer is down the bottom here, which means I can just see the edge of one of the speakers there. There'll be another one. So that's just a numbering thing. I'm going to take the sound up to the top there so you can see it. But there's the two speakers from the sound layer brought in as a reference. All the italicized kind of layers are references. So those in my drawing, I can't do anything with them, but I now have them referenced. And likewise, if I go to the sound layer, well, they've got the lighting referenced, and lighting don't have the sound. So again, I would need to do lighting, would need to do that step if they wanted to bring the positions of those speakers in. So that's very quickly how you link up the drawings. I think I might do one more step, but it'll be part 3.